Hey friends, welcome to another video of Microsoft Office tutorials. Friends, in today's video we are going to discuss that in Microsoft Excel how we can enable this thing that complete row of our active cell becomes highlighted automatically, or the complete column of our active cell becomes highlighted automatically, or the both complete row and complete column of our active cell becomes highlighted automatically. That will help us to work easily on Excel, because we know that when we work on Excel, when we have confusing data in which there are a lot of number of rows, columns, the data is very confusing and we need to compare something, it is a big headache for us. For example, you can see this is sales summary for year 2023. For year 2023, let's say we want to compare data of any product. Let's take example maybe of this product of, let's say we want to compare sales by month. You can see this is quite confusing. We need to just concentrate that what we are going to do, what is exactly Jan, where is Feb, where is March, right? As compared to this, if we go to this sheet, we will simply select this row, we will simply go to Jan, Feb, and you can see the full row and the full column is automatically highlighted, right? So this is the issue, this is the problem that we are going to solve in today's tutorial. So let's start our today's tutorial. Friends, first of all, we need to write two small VBA codes for this. If you don't have any idea on VBA codes, if you don't have any clue how to use VBA code, just don't worry. It has maximum 3 to 4 words, and I can assure you, if you are able to understand simple English, you will also be able to understand this VBA code. So just don't worry. First of all, to write VBA code, we need to have here developer tab. If you don't have here developer tab, by default Excel don't have here developer tab. You need to activate this. So for this, simply you need to go to file tab. In file tab, you will go to options. In options, when you will click on options, you will see that Excel options window opens. You need to go to customize ribbon. In customize ribbon, under main tabs, you will see down here developer tab. You simply need to check this box of developer tab. You need to go for OK. You will see that here you have developer tab. So now simply to write VBA code, you need to go to developer tab. You need to click on Visual Basics. You will see that new window opens. This is to write VBA code. But before you write anything, you need to make sure that what is name of your workbook. Workbook name is highlight row and column active cell. So we will go to VBA window. We need to make sure that name of VBA project is exactly same. So sheet name is sheet 1. You can see here in bracket. So we will go back to our workbook. Sheet name is sheet 1. So that's okay. We will double click on this sheet 1. You will see that new window opens. In this window, we need to select worksheet, and down here we need to write VBA code. What we will do, I think we should go step by step. First, we will enable auto highlight of row. Then we will go for column, right? So here we need to write simple VBA code. Simply you need to write here range, open parenthesis, quotation mark. First cell you need to write here, obviously first cell is A1, quotation mark, close bracket, equal sign. Now here active cell dot row, because we need to enable auto highlight of row. So range, bracket open, quotation mark, A1, quotation mark, bracket close, equal sign, active cell dot row. Now we need to save this workbook. Save. You need to go for no, because this workbook now has VBA code, right? So we need to choose another format. So Excel macro enabled workbook, this format we will choose. Let's say I want to change name also. Maybe I have changed name. I will go for save. So now I simply need to close this window. Now you will notice that in cell A1 you have some numbers. What is this? This is actually row number of your active cell. Let's say I bring my active cell in row 1. You will see here is 1. Let's say I take my active cell in row 9. You will see here number is 9. So now what I need to do to enable auto highlight of row, I need to go to this corner. I need to select all cells. I need to go to home tab. Simply need to go to conditional formatting, new rule. In this new rule window, you need to go to this last option, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here, down here in this space, we will simply write simple formula, equal sign, row, open parenthesis, cell A1, close parenthesis, equal sign, and now we need to select the cell in which we have row numbers. Obviously this is A1. Now our formula is complete. Now we need to make format that we want for our active row, right? So format, here let's say I want green color for my active row or the highlighted row. I will select here green color. Let's say I want font maybe bold italic. I will go for OK. I will go for OK, and you will see that our active cell has the full row highlighted automatically. Wherever we take our active cell, you see that the full row, complete row becomes highlighted automatically. So now let's go for to enable auto highlight of complete column. So same steps we need to repeat. We need to go to developer tab. We need to go to Visual Basic. So here what we write already, we write VBA code for row. Here we need to write VBA code for column. Same VBA code, range, open parenthesis. Here don't need to select the same cell. Let's say we want to select cell B1, quotation mark, bracket close, equal sign. Same active cell dot, here we need to write column, because we want to highlight column, not row, right? We have done everything for row. So we have been written VBA code for column. Simply we need to save this. We will just close this window, and now what we need to do, same steps we need to repeat. Here you will notice that in cell B1 you have numbers. What is this exactly? This is actually column of our active cell. You can see our active cell is in column 4. You can see here number is 4. Let's say it is in column 2. Here we have number 2. Now same thing we need to do that we did for row. We need to go to this corner. We need to select all the cells. We need to click on this corner. We need to go to home tab. We need to go to condition formatting, new rule. Need to go to this last, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here we need to write simple formula, column, open parenthesis, A1, close parenthesis, equal sign. Again here we need to select the cell in which we have column numbers. Obviously we have column numbers in cell B1. We will go format. Let's say we want same format as we did for row. So we will select this color green, font may be bold italic. We will go for OK. We will go for OK. And now you can see our active cell has auto highlighted full column and full row. Friends, you will find link to download this file in description of this video, so that you can also practice by yourself. So that's all for today, friends. If you like today's video, please don't forget to give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Microsoft Office Tutorials, and also don't forget to press bell icon button. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.